No. No. Ew. Ew. Oh my god. Oh my god, I've never... Oh, it's still so dry. Okay. Okay. I'm pretty mellow when it comes. I'm not over dramatic, but, rinse that off. That was probably the worst thing in my life. You know? I'm not... How does that taste go away? I think the roof of my mouth is gone. I don't even understand why salt and ice would do something. What about, like, margaritas? Don't those have salt and ice in them? Okay, I feel like